What's up, guys? Today's song is going to be You're Beautiful by James Blunt. If you're a complete beginner, make sure to check out my free beginner crash course right here. And for everyone else, make sure to check out my top 10 steps to mastering the guitar free training in the description below. Now, with that said, let's get into it. Alright, so that part right there is the intro and the verse. We're playing with this on the capo on the 8th fret. It's a little stupid, I know. It'll make it a little funnier to play, but, that's how it's played, so that's what we're going to do. So we're starting on a G chord, and our strumming pattern is going to be this. A little slower. So that's down, 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 up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, so that one's a little tricky, but listen to it, get the feel from how I'm playing it. It might be easier than trying to count it out. But listen to where the strokes are and kind of get the feel for it and just play it a few times. And there's your strumming pattern. We're just going to repeat that on 4 chords. Now, these 2 fingers are going to stay in their place for all 4 of these chords, which is going to make our switches nice and easy. So we're starting on our G. Then you're going to move to a D/F sharp. Then you're going to move to an E minor 7. And then ending off on a Cadd9. And you're just going to play that strumming pattern on that chord progression. And there you go, there's that progression. This is a very light progression. It's very high, and you want to strum nice and lightly, just barely grazing the strings, almost like you're playing a ukulele. It wants that nice, light, high-pitched sound. So that's what you're aiming for with your right hand while you're strumming. So then moving into the pre-chorus, it's going to be almost the exact same thing, just instead of ending on that Cadd9, we're just going to play the E minor 7 twice. So we're just playing that E minor 7 for 2 bars instead of 1. So here's the pre-chorus. There you go, there's your pre-chorus. So it's almost identical. Once you get the verse done, the pre-chorus will be no problem at all. So now we're going to move into the bridge, which is going to use similar chords and the same strumming pattern. We're going to start by alternating between that Cadd9 and the E minor 7. We're going to alternate back and forth between these 3 times. So 1 bar on each chord before switching, and we're doing each of these 3 times. So you can see I went back and forth between these 2 chords, 1 bar each, and we're going back and forth 3 times. So after that, we're going to go to a normal A minor chord and play 1 bar there. And then switch straight to that D/F sharp we've already seen and play 1 bar there. And you put that all together, and there's your pre-chorus. So once again, it's going to be Cadd9 to E minor 7. You're going to go back and forth 3 times, then to A minor, and then end on that D/F sharp. And there's your bridge. There you go. Okay, so that is the chorus. So this one's trickier than the other parts, so it's a little more complicated, but I'll break it down for you piece by piece, and make sure to follow along with the chords and lyrics in the description of this video. It's going to make it a lot easier to follow along, because there are a decent amount of chords in this. So we're going to start, and we're going to do half bar changes on Cadd9 to D/F sharp. So you're going to change midway through the bar. So you're going to do your Cadd9 for your 3 downstrokes, and then D/F sharp for the rest of them. And then you're going to play G for a full bar. So you're going to do this part twice. Then after that, you're going to do another Cadd9 to D/F sharp half bar change. And then you're going to play G, D/F sharp, and Em7 just for 1 strum each. And technically, the G is held out for 2 beats, D/F sharp for 2, and Em7 for 4. And then you're going to go back to another Cadd9 to D/F sharp change, followed by an Em7 for a full bar, then end the chorus with one more Cadd9 to D/F sharp change. So that's kind of a little bit confusing to take in, but you can see it on the screen and you can kind of follow along in how I've broken it down in these different sections. Work on them one block at a time and then kind of piece it together and then memorize it over time. And remember what you're going back to with your half bar changes. So with that, if you just follow along and play that, you should be able to play the entire chorus. And there you go, there's the full song. Practice this one and you'll have it down in no time. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and say hi in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss one of my uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.